Tornado, typhoon, hurricane or cyclone, there are different names, but the outcome is same: destruction. Natural calamities like storms are one of the most unpredictable things. But nowadays, with the advent of modern instruments, we are able to correctly predict these storms. Such an instrument is Doppler radar. Hello and welcome, myself Subodip Roy, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Mallabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur. In this video, I will be discussing the role of Doppler radar in cyclone prediction. So let's start. What is a Doppler radar? A Doppler radar is a radar that works on the principle of Doppler effect. It can produce velocity data of objects at different distances. It was first invented during World War II to detect the presence of aircraft, but precipitation frequently got into its way. In Doppler radar, this so-called noise is actually the signal. To understand Doppler radar, we have to first understand the main principle behind its working, Doppler effect. It was named after the Austrian physicist Christian Doppler, who proposed it in 1842. If a wave source and a receiver are moving relative to each other, then the frequency observed by the receiver is different from the actual source frequency. This is known as Doppler effect. The frequency of source coming towards observer seems to be increased, while if the source is receding, the frequency decreases. Here in this table, you can see that the echo frequency shift is given for approaching source and for receding source. Now let us find how Doppler radar predicts the presence of storms. By their design, Doppler radar systems can provide the information regarding the movement of targets as well as their position. It sends pulses and tracks the phase of the received pulses. Now, by measuring the change in phase between the transmitted and received pulse, the movement of clouds, precipitation, etc. can be tracked. If there is alternative increase and decrease of the received frequency, then it is concluded that the clouds are moving away and coming back periodically. Such a movement denotes storms. So this is the main principle how Doppler radar uses the Doppler effect to predict the presence of storms. Thank you for watching this video.